Assalamualaikum beauties, this is Amina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on my contact lenses, and as you guys know, I wear contact lenses in all of my videos, photos, and some of you ask me that where those I got them or those are from which brand. That's why I'm going to do this for you. 3 of them from Ego brand. This one is mystery gray, this one is violet, and this one called honey. Let's move on to the tutorial. Firstly, you have to open up those packaging. If you take care of them properly, then they will be soft, well, and long last. Here I am using a nail cutter for opening this. Open it very carefully, otherwise it can be cut your finger. This is honey color and here is the packaging. Here they have given me this box. Under this box have a lens container, 2 plastic container to keep under the water solution, and a pincher. Here is the Ego water solution. Here I am putting my lenses in the cage. Again I am doing the same. You can see the honey color, how it looks like when it is under the water. I'm wearing my lenses by this lenses pincher. First one, I am wearing honey color. Sometimes when you are wearing lenses, tears could be came out. You can see the difference between my 2 eyes. This one is real and this one is honey color. Now I am wearing the second one, which is violet color. Now you can see how it looks like on my eyes. See the difference between my two eyes? It feels so soft. It feels nothing on my eyes. If you don't want to use a pincher, then you can also use your hands. Make sure your hands are always clean. If you have any power issue, you can't wear it because this color is not available for power. Make sure your lenses are always under the water solution. Now I am wearing the last one, which is called Misty Grey. These all lenses are from the same brand. See the difference between my two eyes again. This color called Misty Grey. This color is also available for power. Which color you like the most? Let me know in the comment section below. Now enough for today. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new updates. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. If you want to know how I create this makeup look, then click this video.